Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to turn on AirDrop on your iPhone in 2025. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things tech, making complex stuff simple and fun. AirDrop is Apple's awesome wireless sharing feature that lets you quickly send photos, videos, files, and more to nearby iPhones, iPads, or Macs without needing emails or messages. It's a game changer for seamless sharing, especially in 2025 with even faster speeds and better security. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS, always a good idea for the best features. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. That's the quick access hub for all your iPhone settings. Once you're in the Control Center, look for the connectivity options. You'll see icons for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and right there, the AirDrop symbol. It looks like a box with an arrow. Tap on the AirDrop icon, and a menu will pop up. Here, you can choose your visibility settings. For most situations, select Everyone if you want to share with anyone nearby, or go with Contacts Only for a bit more privacy. Once you've made your choice, AirDrop is now turned on and ready to go. It's that straightforward. If you're having trouble, double-check that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, as AirDrop relies on them. One quick tip: if AirDrop isn't showing up, you might need to update your settings in the main Settings app. Go to Settings, General greater than AirDrop, and ensure it's set to your preference. This feature is perfect for sharing vacation pics with friends or sending documents in a meeting. Remember, in 2025, AirDrop is even more integrated with other Apple devices, so you can connect effortlessly. There you have it. Turning on AirDrop is quick, easy, and oh so useful. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.